Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about single inheritance in Java. Single inheritance is the simplest version of inheritance. It involves one superclass and one subclass. In example, if the class B wants to acquire the property of class A, then we have to write class B extends A, and this way the class B can acquire the properties of the superclass A. So in this example program we have one class called A which has one method called display, and this method prints the string superclass method onto the console. And there is another class called class B. If we wanted to acquire the properties of A into class B, then we can use the inheritance. So we have to use the extends keyword, and I'm gonna write class B extends A, and this way the properties of class A can be acquired by class B. Now inside the main method I'm gonna create object of class B, so I'm gonna write B obj equal new B, and now I'm gonna use that object and call the superclass display method. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program, and you can see the output superclass method. So through the use of single inheritance we are able to use the superclass method inside one subclass using the subclass object. So hope you understand the concept of single inheritance in Java. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.